In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete category in GoDaddy store. If you've reorganized your catalog or have a category you no longer need, removing it keeps your storefront clear and easy to navigate. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting a category removes that category from your store's navigation. It doesn't delete the products themselves, but any items assigned to that category may appear uncategorized until you assign them to something else. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. Type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your account name to open the account menu. From there, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything associated with your account. Find the website or online store you want to work on. If you manage more than one, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct site so you don't change the wrong store. Click Manage to open its dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look for the Store section in the navigation. Click Store to open your e-commerce settings and management tools. Next, select Categories. This page lists all the categories currently available in your store, including parent and subcategories. Locate the category you want to delete. If your list is long, scroll until you find it. On the right side of that category's row, click the three dots, sometimes called the More or Kebab menu. In the menu that appears, choose Delete. GoDaddy will ask you to confirm, which helps prevent accidental changes. Read the prompt to be sure you're removing the correct category, especially if it has subcategories or products attached. When you're ready, click Delete again to confirm. The category will be removed immediately from the list, and your storefront navigation will update accordingly. After deleting, give your storefront a quick check in a new browser tab or refresh your preview to make sure everything looks right. If you removed a category that contained products, consider assigning those items to a different category to keep your catalog organized. If you change your mind later, you can recreate the category with the same name and reassign products as needed. That's all it takes to delete a category in your GoDaddy store. Sign in, open your store's dashboard, navigate to categories, and confirm the deletion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.